Hi guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks, and today I have come up with very important topic which everybody should know. It is important that we follow that too in our daily life. I am going to talk about today to boost our immunity, because you know how is today's era when it comes to COVID situation, and I know everybody is making sure that all the safety measures are on place. However, it's important to boost your immunity from within so that you stay fit for a long. It's very good when it comes to natural things. So that's the topic today which I'm going to talk about, how to boost your immunity naturally. So if you wanted to know what could be the few things which you can do on your daily basis, then let's get started. So first thing which you should include in your food is garlic. Yes, garlic has got a very good properties. It is antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral, and if you include that in any of your foods, definitely it is gonna add in your immunity. Second most thing which are readily available are those citrus fruits. I mean to say boost up your vitamin C. So vitamin C is holy grail when it comes to treat the cold and also to boost your immunity. Examples are melon, oranges, grapefruits, lemons and limes. Third is sweet potato. High in vitamin A, contains 120% of daily vitamin A and 30% of daily value of vitamin C. Hence, it is very good in boosting immunity and it is great source of fiber. Fourth one is, I think it is favorite of most of you, which is dark chocolate. So it's not the normal chocolate, it's dark chocolate, because dark chocolates are highly rich in antioxidants, contains free radicals and hence it boosts immunity. Next one is probiotic. Yogurts are best when it comes to probiotic. Fermented foods are rich in beneficial bacteria, probiotic which populates your digestive tracts. So I would highly suggest you to include all the probiotics in your daily life, like all the yogurts and other things which we just spoke. Next up is fish oil, if at all you can have. I'm also gonna give you alternative of this, but first listen about the fish oil. Reason why we say to have fish oil is because it is highly rich in omega-3 fatty acid and it protects you against so many diseases. So now what if you can't have fish oil? Then replacement for this is the chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, canola oil and soya. Now most of you must be asking, what is canola oil? So basically canola oil is derived from a variety of rapeseed that is low in uric acid. Next up is most important, and I know for most of you people must be suggesting to have enough of vitamin D. Body can produce vitamin D, however we ask you to expose yourself daily into the sun, how much ever is possible, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, which is also totally beneficial. You can also fulfill these intakes through supplements like cheese, mushroom, milk, makhana, chia seeds, etc. All these helps in reducing virus and bacteria. Next point, I really wanted to talk about spices, because I feel Indian spices are the best when it comes to boosting your immunity. Like ginger, coriander, cumin seeds, cloves, fenugreek, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, turmeric, black pepper, tulsi and those herbal teas which are available in market, and this is so trending that you should have any one herbal tea daily, like for an example tulsi tea or ajwain tea, or you can say green tea, lemon tea, all of that. So it is so important that you should have green leafy vegetables in your diet. I heard most of them, they are saying, when I dietitian I suggest them to have some green leafy vegetable, they say that yuck, it won't be so tasty. So I feel that maybe for some of you it won't be tasty. I'm not saying it to have it just boiled one. You can just make it some good vegetable or curry, and you can have it with that, or you can have those green vegetables or leafy vegetables in your stuffed parathas. When you are making a dough for roti or paratha, you can just put that in and it would be so tasty and you won't even know. So now I wanted to stress on broccoli and spinach, which are best in antioxidant and boost up the immunity. Packed with vitamin A, C, E and fiber. Spinach has numerous antioxidants. It is rich in beta carotene. When you talk about what is the best way to have broccoli and spinach, it is best when it is lightly cooked, not much cooked. Say that it is lightly cooked because then only it will retain their nutrition. Light cooking makes it very easier to absorb vitamin A and allows other nutrition to release from oxalic acid. Few more things, if you just take care of yourself, then you would be able to boost up your immunity, and you can suggest others also so that they stay fit. Eat high fruits, vegetables, exercise regularly at least 3 to 4 times in a week. Maintain healthy weight, avoid drinking alcohol, get adequate sleep, take few more steps to avoid infections like maintaining social distance, washing your hands regularly, and wearing mask properly. So that's it for today's, guys. These were few simple and easy tricks which you can include, and I know these were very quick and simple, and if you try to do, then believe me that even I do it in my daily life and I see the difference. So if you just include good habits, then it's nothing wrong and you would be able to gain so many things. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did somewhere, then please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and just wait for the next video which is coming too soon. So thank you so much. Bye. Take care.